So hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you step by step how to get started with Klaviyo for email marketing. Klaviyo is one of the most powerful tools out there for e-commerce brands and small businesses. So let's go to Klaviyo. Klaviyo offers a free plan, flexible features, and strong automation capabilities, making it perfect for beginners. So let's dive right in. So you have to head over to klaviyo.com and click sign up. Now you have to fill in your email address, your password, your company name, your company website if you have one, your phone number, and how will we be using Klaviyo. Then you have to check the sign, then you have to tap onto I'm not a robot, then you have to tap onto create a demo. So as you can see, I have entered all the information. Now I am being logged into Klaviyo. So after verifications, once you are signed in, you will be taken to your Klaviyo dashboard. But before that, you have to answer some basic question like how would you describe your channel. You have to choose them and tap continue. Then you have to enter like what is the main focus for your business right now, like sell products online, sell in person, subscriptions, membership, etc. You just have to check them and then tap continue. Now it is asking to select your primary business platform. This platform connects to Klaviyo to share real-time transaction and customer data. You can choose Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, Present Shop. You can also tap onto custom build or other platform. You can search for them. For now, simply I'm going to tap onto continue, or you can, if you don't have a platform, you can tap onto I don't use a platform. Now it is asking you that how many contacts do you have. This information will be used to personalize your Klaviyo account. And if you don't have an account, again tap onto I don't have contacts yet. Now you have to enter your business address, like your physical address is required to make sure your emails comply with international anti-spam laws. This one is optional, so I'm just gonna skip it. Now tap continue, but before that you have to tap onto this, then tap continue. Now as you can see, this option, it is asking that if I have a custom domain or not. If you have a custom domain, tap yes, and if you don't have a domain, tap no. And you can tap onto this and customize it if you wish to, like this is the sender name, and then tap continue. Now it is asking that how do you want to use Klaviyo. If you want it for email marketing or SMS marketing, also you can use mobile push notification, reviews, or SMS. Just choose the one specific one you wish to continue with, and if you want all of them, then just choose every single one of them, as I just did, like by clicking on them, checking on them. Then you have to tap onto this black icon, continue, tap onto continue. Now Klaviyo has sent a link to my Gmail account for confirmations, so it will send it to you too. Just you have to open your Gmail account, and then that's it. Now from your Gmail account, if you have to tap onto confirm Klaviyo. So by clicking on confirm Klaviyo, as you can see, you are now on the dashboard of your Klaviyo app. So let's first set up your basic account details. On the left panel, you can see the options like this. You have to open settings. You can tap onto them, or you can search for settings here. and then you can review your settings. Mm. You can go to general, and from there you can change your English to United English or Australian, British English, etc. And you can also set language based on your visitor preference by turning it on. Then you have to tap on if available, use the visitor shipping location to set language. Okay, so this is how you can edit it. You can also add your API documentation from here on the Klaviyo app. Now let's go to home page again. And you can tap on to explore docs. Okay, and from there you can explore them. Go to home page again. You can enter your email address here. You can tap onto your accounts, and you can get accounts if you wish to. And you can also connect to their official site, I mean their premium subscription if you wish to. Here you can see they have managed coupons with the coupons API. You can also use it. Now let's go to channel log. So that is pretty much it. Now let's go to get started with Klaviyo. You can create a test account if you wish to. You can install a library if you want. You can use the authenticate API request from here. You can make a test API request also. You can check out Klaviyo's data models, Klaviyo's architectures, etc. Web and mobile SDKs, all of this. Wait, let me go to Klaviyo again. Let's tap on to confirm email, and there you go. You can create campaigns from here. Just go to build your own, and you can also use this guide me through my first campaign, and they will show you how to do it. You can see these flow charts. You can create your welcome series, or you can build your own. You can use these reviews. You can connect it with Shopify and add reviews, or you can also connect it to WooCommerce. And from here you can see some growth strategies like the SMS marketing guides. As you can see, there are some templates, pre-made templates here. You can check your audience with growth tools here. You can create your first sign up from. You can customize subscribe and preference page from here like this. You can also set up Klaviyo SMS by clicking on setup, and then you have to choose your country, then tap on to next, and then you have to enter your first name, last name, your email number, your company phone number, your address, your city, then all of this, and then just you have to tap on to next. Okay, for now this is how you can do it. Now let's go back to it. So that was it, the how you can use Klaviyo email. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.